Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So if you're new here, welcome, and if you're not, I'm guessing that you realize that we are not on day 7 of the cleaning series. I did clean, I did film it, and I will be posting it, so stay tuned. Today I wanted to jump in here and talk to you guys about my Christmas giveaway. I decided I wanted to do one just because it's Christmas and everyone loves to get a present on Christmas. So I'm going to be giving away the 3-piece set of the Mrs. Meyer's Orange Clove cleaners, and I'm going to do the all-purpose, the hand soap, and the dish soap. I'm also going to go ahead and throw in my Christmas themed stoneware tray. I got it for free. I'm not going to be using it, so I want to find a good home for it. Now, to enter the giveaway, I need you to be subscribed to my channel, give this video a like, and leave a comment below that has the word Christmas in it. I'm going to use a random picker to pick the comments, and I will be putting this out on Sunday, and I will close it the following Sunday. I will give you 24 hours to claim your prize, and if you don't, then I will pick a new winner. Yeah, so on a serious note, I wanted to go ahead and say thank you to my subscribers and the people who comment such nice things and have lent me support and love. I have made some awesome friends through this journey, and I love the community that was built in this niche, and I'm really enjoying getting to know a lot of people and a lot of women, and it's so supportive, and I just want to say I appreciate every one of you guys, and thank you for sticking around with me for my journey. I'm really learning a lot, and it's changed my life, honestly. I've really enjoyed doing this. But yeah, I want to wish you guys a Merry Christmas, a Happy New Year, and I hope you guys enter, and thank you guys for tuning in today.